In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the cash flow features in QuickBooks, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of your business's financial health. Now, QuickBooks is a popular tool, especially among small businesses, for managing and reviewing finances efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by heading over to QuickBooks. Once you've logged into your QuickBooks account and you're on the home page, direct your attention to the menu on the left side. This is where you'll find all the navigation options you need. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the homepage interface if you haven't already, as it's your gateway to all the powerful tools QuickBooks offers. Next, go ahead and click on Home. This option is usually found towards the top of the sidebar. Clicking Home will ensure we're starting from a fresh view and can easily access other functions seamlessly. The Home dashboard provides a snapshot overview of your financial status, with various options laid out for easy access. Now, our focus is on cash flow. So, you need to find and click on Cash Flow. This will open up details about your business's cash flow, giving you insights into your finances, what's coming in and going out, which is crucial for maintaining healthy financial operations. You will then want to direct your attention to the option labeled All Accounts. Clicking on All Accounts allows you to review the cash flow for all the different accounts associated with your QuickBooks profile. This is especially useful if you have multiple accounts for your business needs and you want a consolidated view of your cash flow. Once that's done, let's click on Cash Flow Trend. This feature offers you an understanding of how your cash flow has been trending over a specified period. Observing these trends is helpful for recognizing patterns in your income and expenses, which can inform future financial decisions. Next, there's the Monthly Outlook option. By clicking here, you'll see a projection of your cash status for the upcoming months based on current trends and historical data. This foresight is invaluable for planning and ensuring your business runs smoothly without any financial hiccups down the line. For a closer look, go ahead and click on Money Out to analyze where you're spending your cash. This section breaks down your outflows into categories, helping you identify areas where costs might be reduced or optimized. Finally, don't miss out on clicking Insights and Ideas. This feature is designed to give you actionable advice and suggestions based on your financial data. It's like having a financial advisor integrated into your software, offering strategies to enhance your cash flow and overall business performance. By following these steps, you will have a well-rounded understanding of how to manage cash flow within QuickBooks, setting your business up for financial success. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep exploring the various tools QuickBooks offers to make the most of your financial management.